हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप सब। उम्मीद करता हूँ आप सब अच्छे से होंगे और आप सभी का मोस्ट वेलकम है आपके अपने चैनल पर। दोस्तों, आप सभी का इस चैनल पर बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया अदा करता हूँ मैं आने के लिए। और दोस्तों, इस चैनल पर आपको ऐसे ही कंटेंट्स मिलते रहते हैं। हम इस चैनल पर एजुकेशन से रिलेटेड और बच्चों से रिलेटेड, गेम से रिलेटेड, एंटरटेनमेंट से रिलेटेड वीडियोस अपलोड करते हैं। और दोस्तों, अगर आपको हमारे कंटेंट्स अच्छे लगते हैं, दिल से आप पसंद करते हैं, तो वीडियो को प्लीज़ लाइक ज़रूर करिएगा, क्योंकि आपके एक लाइक से हमें मोटिवेशन मिलता है और हमें अगली वीडियो बनाने का दिल करता है। और हमें ऐसा लगता है कि आपको हमारी जो वीडियो है वो पसंद आ रही है और हमने जो इस वीडियो में मेहनत की है वो रंग लाई है। तो प्लीज़ वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर करिएगा और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर ज़रूर करिए, ताकि और भी जो हमारे दूसरे व्यूवर्स हैं वो भी हमारे वीडियोस से फ़ायदा उठा सके। और इस चैनल पर आपको ऐसे ही एजुकेशन से रिलेटेड, एंटरटेनमेंट से रिलेटेड, नॉलेजफुल वीडियोस मिलते रहते हैं। और चैनल पर पहली बार आए हैं तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें, क्योंकि हम जब भी कोई नई वीडियो अपलोड करेंगे उसकी सबसे पहली नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलेगी और आप हमारे वीडियो से फ़ायदा उठा सकेंगे। तो दोस्तों, इसी तरह अपना प्यार और सपोर्ट बनाए रखिए, क्योंकि आपका प्यार और सपोर्ट हमारे लिए बहुत ज़रूरी है। और ये चैनल आपका है और हम सिर्फ यहाँ पे आपके लिए आते हैं और ये कंटेंट्स आपके लिए अपलोड करते हैं। तो एंजॉय करिए हमारे कंटेंट्स को। और आपके कुछ कमेंट्स होंगे तो कमेंट करते रहिए, सजेशन होंगे तो सजेस्ट करते रहिए, हमें अच्छा लगता है आप कमेंट करते हैं तो। और हम फिर मिलेंगे आपको फिर किसी नए वीडियो में नए टॉपिक के साथ। तब तक के लिए दोस्तों, आपके इस छोटे भाई को इजाज़त दीजिए और चैनल पर इसी तरह प्यार और सपोर्ट बनाए रखिए, क्योंकि आपके प्यार और सपोर्ट के बिना दोस्तों हम कुछ भी नहीं हैं। तो प्लीज़ चैनल को सपोर्ट करिए और कंटेंट्स अच्छे लगे तो ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें दोस्तों, क्योंकि आपके एक सब्सक्राइब से हमें मोटिवेशन मिलता है और हमें आपके सपोर्ट की बहुत ज़रूरत है। तो प्यार और सपोर्ट बनाए रखिए। और मैं फिर आपसे कहूँगा कि इस चैनल पर आपको ऐसे ही एजुकेशन से रिलेटेड, गेम से रिलेटेड, बच्चों से रिलेटेड, एंटरटेनमेंट से रिलेटेड वीडियोस मिलते रहते हैं। हम ऐसे ही वीडियोस अपलोड करते हैं। तो बने रहिए हमारे इस चैनल पर और इसी तरह प्यार और सपोर्ट बनाए रखिए। अपना ख्याल रखिए। हैव अ नाइस डे।
Exactly what we were saying, and it helped that he got a loosener from Hardik Raj, that he could muscle into deep mid wicket.
Gets into position so quickly and just helps it along. He hits it so cleanly, as clean as a whistle.
Driven outside edge, and HS Sharat makes up for a drop catch earlier on. It isn't the wicket of Manish Pandey, but it'll still bring a smile on his face.
Marlar going for the hoik, gets that outside edge. And a nicely timed jump.
What contact! Way over into the stands.
Virat ji, can you recommend a good car tire?
You mean a tire with long life and comfort?
Yes, yes.
Then of course, it's the MRF ZLX tire. You can bet on it, my friend.
Bouncing across the stands.
It was a good ball from Shard. It was very full. How did he even get under that is the question. But does really, really well.
Ha! That is classy. A full toss, and he dismisses it with such elegance. Wow, he's bludgeoned that. There's a fielder, but he cannot get to it. He hit that so hard, Manish Pandey. They're turning it on, the Tigers. And there's certainly bat involved, or he's just absolutely livid, Manish Pandey. He's absolutely livid. There was bat on that for sure. He's been given out.
Surprised that the umpire missed it.
Beautiful shot. The timing on that was sensational. And for a first bowler, take a bow. And the left-handers this over. Slow one. Straight to Hardik Raj. This over just gets even better. A wicket and 2 runs in 4 deliveries. V. Kaushik at his best.
And does again on this delivery. Looking to go down the ground, look like flat batting it. Gets that top.
Full toss. Dealt with. Top 6 here.
We'll have the license again. But what a hit. It isn't always easy. Free hit.
He sent that into the night sky. Deep into the stands. Oh, Manwant. What a star he is turning out to be. 2 nights in succession. He's doing it for the Tigers.
And unleashes. He mentioned his long levers. It's important to know how to use them. Just exceptional timing.
He's miscued that. There's a fielder getting under it. Oh, brilliant. Anand Dottamani, the fielder.
Runs is this going to save? Nice follow-up delivery from Avinash. But what a catch. The ball always going away from him. Had to throw himself.
Death overs are gone. He's a goner. And an over that started with so much promise. 13 runs came off the first delivery and 2 wickets, and this innings is done. And it's a golden opportunity for the Lions to register their first
We
win.
haven't seen that very often with the Hubli Tigers. Manish Pandey top scoring with 44. We're very disappointed at getting 3 wickets, 1 each for Dodamani, Ashok and Hardik. Avinash back in this game, picked up 3 wickets for 34 runs. Well, all things... Now it's with Kavirappa. Oh, what a Jaffa. An absolute peach of a delivery to start. Mohan, let's see.
Wickets under his belt. That is something. The first ball we have seen Ella drifting down the leg, but Ulal didn't miss it.
Yes, up to the...
Nayan Mongia. Here gets the Mohan starts the first boundary to him.
Trophy this year, it's been a long time. Misfield by the veteran KC Kariappa. Get 4.
Jazz! Don't you just love it? हेलो सर थैंक यू
ये क्या सीन है
सर पार्टी सीन है बोगी बनो बोगी ये क्या हो रहा है
पार्टी सैड हो या मैड हो सीन है तो स्विगी है तो सीन है
Beautiful hit this. This is the highest partnership, highest opening partnership for the Shivamoga Lions this season. All of 31 runs. The one before this, the highest was 18.
Timing from Nehal Ulal. He has seen quite a few innings which he has not done, and this one is going to make it count. He should make it count as a captain.
And they deserve every bit of it.
Oh, what a catch!
What a catch by Manish Pandey. If it's inches above the ground, he's not gonna miss those. Another classic by the skipper Manish.
Terrific catch from Manish. Look at, by his standards, he looked...
Accelerate and quickly.
Top edge. And that'll run away for a boundary. That was
Good to be true.
just like that delivery from Manwant. He continues to impress. What a star he is for the Tigers. Runs with the bat, wickets with the ball. He's everywhere.
Nicely pouched behind the stumps.
Down ball, shot to Abhinav Manohar. Baptism.
Quick footwork. And all that power.
Hubli Tigers, just the right time to get his perspective. And I was just about to ask that question. There's another home run being hit. We'll get to all of the action in the middle, Vinay. But take us through the emotions last night, the pressures in that three super over.
So much for them. And as a coaches, we kept it very light meetings today, and we gave them a more break to come back strongly. And
the lines. And just like that, he helps it along for a 6. Oh boy, that was close. There was a field.
Manohar pulls it, but I'm wondering, Manwant was slightly inside the line. Had he been right on the boundary, could have been touch and go. Could have been half a chance.
This time the ramp shot. He makes it look easy. Batting is easy when Abhinav Manohar is in full flow. That is the biggest of the evening. He's absolutely smoked that.
Just that front foot, a bit of a trigger, and then he...
For Hubli Tigers is how to stop Abhinav Manohar. You can't stop Abhinav Manohar. This is what he does.
Look at that. Muscled it over long off. What a shot. In complete control. He smoked that. Once again, he's teed off in supreme style. Over Cow Corner region, the 50 partnership comes up. It's raining sixes in the middle.
This is Abhinav Manohar's onslaught started.
Disdain. This time cuts it, and cuts it fine. That's the boundary. Brings up his 15-21 deliveries. What an innings. He's completely taken the game away from the Hubli Tigers.
Another one goes out of the ground. Abhinav Manohar, it's a 7-6 50 strike rate.
Easy pickings, half tracker, angle towards the leg side. All he has to do is help it over the deep square leg region. What a shot. Once again, goes big, goes high, goes handsome as well. Abhinav Manohar is having a whale of a time in the middle, and he's making merry at the cost of some very ordinary bowling here.
Anishwar Gautam digs in. Abhinav Manohar dispatches as a post letter out of the ground.
Another short delivery, and this one as well has been bludgeoned. He gets plenty of bat in it. 3 sixes in a row. Abhinav Manohar, you beauty.
Are we going to see from Abhinav Manohar in this Maharaja trophy? 3 down, 3 more to go.
And deliver back live. This could be close. Yes, he gets his man. Finally, Abhinav will be smiling.
Has done the damage. Has done the damage for Hubli Tigers. This is going to be
nicely done in the gap. That'll be 4. Beautifully executed, Shivraj. All he had to do was just use the pace on it and play it in the gap. We are running away with this match, the Lions, and that elusive win is finally coming through, Sunil. And he induces an edge as well. Just as we talk about what an impact he's made in the middle, he accounts for another wicket as well. Brilliantly done. Shivraj has to depart.
Again, you know, whatever time he comes, whatever over he comes, this is what he brings to the team, and commitment.
Slashed in the gap, wide of the field at backward point. Desperate dive, but that'll go away for a 4. What a way to get off the mark by young Hardik. It had class written all over it. Ball is second. And will be tonked again for a maximum. What a way to finish this match and get that winning touch back. Nihal with that powerful strike. The Shivamoga Lions secure their first win in their 7th match.
And that was the winning runs. Ulal, the captain.
The team meetings may have called for a lot of responsibility in the chase. Mohan departed for 17. Ulal held one end, dropped anchor, and was the mainstay. It was the Shivamoga Lions. The Hubli Tigers, though, found the going tough. Anishwar 21 and is 1. Young Daman getting a chance, an opportunity. was scattered in all parts of the ground.
Restricted them well, the Shimoga Lions in that first innings. Kaushik with an impressive 3 for 12. Avinash with 3 wickets as well to finish things off. Dodamani was impressive, good economy, 1 for 18 for him. Manish Pandey with 44. Manwant and Srijit with 20s.